Are you interested in purchasing the Beats Studio Pro or the Apple AirPods Pro second generation? Find out today as we test them on Let's Talk Tech Today. Hi everyone, Mike here. I wanted to do a quick video about the Beats Studio Pro versus the AirPods Pro second generation. I've put both of them through extensive testing, and I wanted to show you the pros and the cons of each of them. And right now you can actually purchase the Beats Studio Pro for $179. I want to let you know whether or not I feel it's worth the cost, even with the $170 discount on them, and which of the two that I would recommend. I'm now using the built-in microphone in the AirPods Pro second generation. The normal price on these when they first got introduced was $249, but they've been $199 for quite a while now on Amazon and other retail stores. Here are a few of the things that I like about the AirPods Pro second generation. First of all is their size and the ease of portability. They seem to last a very long time when I use them. And I also like the fact that the case that these go into are perfect for recharging them and just putting them in your pocket for traveling. One of the things that I did not like about these initially were the silicone tips. They continually fell out of my ears and I just didn't feel comfortable using them outside of the house. I was able to find some replacement silicone tips that have resolved the issues of them falling out, and I now make my AirPods my default headphones while making YouTube videos. What I like about the Beats Studio Pro is that the design is very simplistic. There's one button for pairing the device and turning them off and on. There's a set of buttons above the logo for volume up and down, and when you press the logo, it allows you to pause and play video. I like the way they fold up, make it easy to be able to travel with them. They also come with a nice travel case that you can keep the charging cable and the 3.5 millimeter plug inside of them so you don't misplace them around the house or when traveling. One of the things I do not like about the Beats Studio Pro is the microphone, which I've been using while talking about them. I've also found that the position of them around your ears does have an impact on how well the active noise cancellation works. However, given the current price of them at $179, I think it's a good compromise since I mainly want to use these while traveling in an airplane. It's a little difficult to recommend one over the other as they each have their own intended purpose. I do like the AirPods Pro second generation because of their portability, and I like the Beats Studio Pro because I feel that they're nice and comfortable for airplane traveling and when I don't feel like having the earbuds sticking in my ears, which can get a little uncomfortable after a fashion. Given the current price of the Beats Studio Pro, I think they're a win. You can't go wrong purchasing them at this price. And as far as the AirPods Pro second generation, I feel they're also a win at this price as I've had zero problems with either of them, and I do plan on keeping them both. The sale price on the Beats Studio Pro originally was just supposed to be for 2 days last week during Amazon's Prime Day. However, it has been extended through the 16th of October, and there's no saying how long they may even extend it past that. I'm sure you'll be able to find good deals on them again come the holidays around Black Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I have placed links in the description for all items discussed. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and like our videos as it really helps us grow this channel and produce more videos like this. Thank you and have a fantastic day.